Hello, and welcome everyone to another episode of Friday Fabric Finds for the week of April 25th, 2025. My name is Justin. I'm a photographer and product adder.
I'm Mason, the inventory specialist.
And this is a series where we go through the newsletter that gets released on Friday and show you guys that fabric in person. So let's begin.
Next thing we have for y'all is a collection that we have on sale currently. It is the Meadow Melody from Wilmington. We have deals on things such as the kit, 10-inch square, and a 5-inch square. The kit is usually on sale for $128.96, but we have it on sale for you at $76.96. The 10-inch square we have usually priced at $48.96, but we have it on sale for $26.96. And the 5-inch square is usually $13.96, but we have it on sale for $7.26. Plus, all the Meadow Melody yardage is priced at $9.96 per yard. The patterns for this collection is a repeating stripe, florals, leaves, watercolor textures in colors of pink, purple, teal, black, and white. So make sure to snag this sale on Meadow Melody before it flutters away.
Next, we have a group from Riley Blake called Americana. This features the Sweetland sew-along kits, the packaged quilt kits, puzzles, patterns, needle minders, charms, machine embroidery, 108-inch wide quilt backings, as well as the full collection of yardage. We have a whole lot going on with this group. We also have patterns of sheet music, florals, berries, stripes, sparkles, petals, and dots in colors of red, yellow, pink, blue, teal, and white. So make sure to let freedom ring with Americana.
Next collection we have for y'all is from Moda. It is the Summertime collection. This is featuring layered cakes, charm packs, the berry picking mini quilt kits, a 25-piece fat quarter bundle, and some assorted yardage. The patterns for this collection are florals, stripes, checks, and plaids in colors of red, yellow, blue, green, pink, orange, and cream. So make sure to sew up some sunshine with Summertime from Moda.
We've got a cute collection here. It is called Till the Cows Come Home Flannel from Riley Blake. This is featuring the Till the Cows Come Home quilt kits, 36-inch panels, and the full collection of yardage. We've got cute prints such as cows, stars, plaids, in colors of blue, taupe, and white. So if you're interested in this very adorable collection, make sure to snuggle up to Till the Cows Come Home Flannel from Riley Blake.
Next product we have for y'all is something that we have created here in the store. It is the Pillowcase Kits from Fort Worth Fabric Studio. Create the coziest pillowcases with our adorable pillowcase kits. This is perfect for beginners such as us. We could easily do this as well. This is packed with charming fabric and easy instructions, and it's featuring a bunch of different collections. There's a bunch of different ones that we have, but the ones we have so far are from Back of the Chutes, Feeling Jazzy, Stars of Valor, and How the Grinch Stole Christmas, and more are on the way. So make sure to dream big with our pillowcase kits.
We've got a 34-piece fat quarter bundle on sale. This is the Grand Haven fat quarter bundles from Moda featuring Grand Haven. The original price of these are $147.96, but they have them on sale for $89.96. Also, this bundle is right behind us. You can see it in its full glory. So make sure to surf into savings with the Grand Haven Fat Quarter bundles.
Next item we have for y'all is a hot pre-order. It is the Seed Packet Package Quilt Kit. This is featuring K Facet Collective from Free Spirit. The kits are scheduled to ship in June, July. The prices of these package quilt kits is $258.96. So make sure to plant your order for the Seed Packet Package Kits before they're gone.
And as always, we have the April bargains. This is a page on our website where we include items at a discounted price. This could be things such as remnants, kits, notions, and who knows what else. So make sure to check daily because we are constantly updating this thing.
Next thing we have is, of course, the comment of the week. This is where we pull a comment from last week's show to read on this week's show. And this one is coming from Quilt Meets World. I'm loving that Grinch kit. Fun fact, I used to live in Whoville. Ooh, interesting. And my sister still does. Ted, or Dr. Seuss, was from Springfield, Massachusetts. His illustrator was from Holyoke. Sorry if I'm not saying that correctly. Legend has it the inspiration for Mount Crumpet was from Mount Tom, which makes East Hampton Whoville.
Wow.
Interesting. They've even been known to arrest the Grinch to make sure he can't steal Christmas. Wow, that is very interesting, very cool. A lot of stuff I had no idea of. That's very, very cool. I love the Grinch, love to watch it every single Christmas. Personally, I like the live action one with Jim Carrey.
Oh,
That's my go-to. The newer ones, not bad. I respect it.
There's newer ones?
There is a newer one. It's with Benedict Cumberbatch. Not that bad. Not that bad. It's animated.
Oh, it's animated.
It's animated.
Okay.
Yeah, not that bad. But also, thank you so much for your comment. That's very, very interesting. Cool that we got to learn something today. So we very much appreciate for your comment.
There's also a lot of people who are eating up that Grinch collection.
Yes.
It's very, very popular.
Yes, and the Pillowcase Kits.
Yes. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to ring that bell so you get notified every single time we upload. Also, make sure to leave a comment. You might be featured for Comment of the Week. Who knows? Also, make sure to follow all of our social media. Those links will be down in the description. But with all that being said, we will see you guys next week for another episode. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.